Hello children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we have 6th assignment on playing with numbers for 6th class dated July 9, 2020. In this assignment we have 3 questions. So let's discuss those questions today here on the board. Here is the first question. Define the divisibility rule for 4 and verify 1696 and 2770 numbers will divisible by 4 or not. We need to verify. So before going to that, what is the divisibility rule of 4? The divisibility rule of 4 is if a number is divisible by 4, then the last two digits should be divisible by 4. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. So that's the divisibility rule for 4. So definition: if a number is divisible by 4 when if the last two digits of a number is divisible by 4, then we can say that number is divisible by 4. So let's do the verification of using this divisibility rule. Let's do the verification of 1696. This number. So in this number, what is the last two digits of a number? That is, this is very important. Last two digits of a number. We need to keep in mind. Last two digits of a number. What is the last two digits of this number? Last two digits of 1696 is what? 9 and 6. Isn't it? So this form a number. So when 96, if 96 is divisible by 4, then this whole number is divisible by 4. So let's check it. So 4 as a divisor, 96 as a dividend, the last two digits. 4 2s are 8, 9 minus 8 1, and 6 comes down. 4 4s are 16. Isn't it? 0. If the remainder is 0, then that number is exactly divisible by 4. So if last two digits are divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. So therefore 96, the last two digits, is divisible by 4. Isn't it? Divisible by 4. Then therefore 1696 is divisible by 4. Is divisible by 4. So like this we can verify the given number. And we will verify this number also, that is verification of 2770. See, last two digits of 2770 is what? 70. Is it? 70. 70. Then, so let's check that whether it is divisible by 4 or not, last two digits. So that is 4 as a divisor, 70 as a dividend. 4 ones are 4, 7 minus 4 3, 0 comes down 30, 4 sevens are 28, and here 2 is the remainder. If the remainder is non-zero, that means it is not equal to 0, then we can say that the dividend is not exactly divisible by divisor. That is, 70 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, 70 is not divisible. Is not divisible by 4. Therefore, we can say that the given number 2770 is also not divisible by 4. Is also not divisible by 4. So, like this, we can verify the given number using divisibility rules. So, let's do the second question now. Children, here is the second question on the board. Define the divisibility rule for 11 and verify the numbers 12, 32 and 759484 number will divisible by 11 or not. We need to check. You need to check these two numbers, that is 1232 and this number 759484. And before that, what is the divisibility rule of 11? See here, when a number is divisible by 11, if the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places from right, and sum of the digits at even places from right is either 0 or a number is divisible by 11. So this is the divisibility rule for 11. Let's write on the board. See here, definition. A number is divisible by 11 when if the difference between the sum of digits at odd places, that is from right, we need to take from right, and sum of digits at even places from right is either 0 or a number, that is the difference. The difference should be either 0 or a number. Otherwise, write like this: is either 0 or a number is divisible by 11. So this is the definition of the divisibility rule for 11. Using this divisibility rule, we we will do verification for 1232 number and this 759484 number. So let's do the verification. Verification of 1232. Isn't it? 1232. See, if you take this number, now this one, we have 4 digits in this. This 2, 3, 2, 1. So we have 4 digits. We need to take from right always like this. Odd places, even places. Now, if you observe here, this 2 is in one place, right? First place. And this is second place. And this is third. And this is second. This is first, second, third. And this is fourth. Isn't it? So, now, what are the odd places? This one is the odd place. This is first place, isn't it? So, this is odd place and this is third place. That is, this is also odd place. 1, 3. So, now, this is second place and this is fourth place. So, these are even places, isn't it? So, sum of these and sum of these. So, sum of the digits at odd places and sum of the digits at even places. Then the difference of these two, isn't it? So, difference of what? Sum of digits at odd places and sum of digits at even places. So, the difference is either 0 or a number which is divisible by 11, isn't it? So, now here sum of digits at odd places. Sum of digits at odd places is what? See here. 2 plus 2. Isn't it? So odd places, this one is at odd place, this one is at odd place. So 2 plus 2. That is 2 plus 2 is 4. Now sum of digits at even places. At even places. What are even places? This is at even places, second place, isn't it? This is fourth place. So even places. Now this 3 and 1. 3 and 1. So that is 3 plus 1, which is nothing but 4. Isn't it? So now these, the difference between these two, that is difference. Let's find the difference. So difference is what? Sum of digits at odd places is 4 minus sum of digits at even places is 4. That is nothing but 0. Isn't it? So if either 0 means it is divisible by 11, isn't it? So it is satisfying the rule. So therefore 1232 is divisible by 11. Is divisible by 11, isn't it? So now let's do the verification of this number. So here the verification of 759484. So let's take 7, 5, 9, 4, 8, 4. In this we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. So in these 6 digits, what are digits at odd places? See, every time you need to take from right, isn't it? So now this is at first place, isn't it? This is at second, this is at third, this is at fourth, and this is at fifth, and this is at sixth, isn't it? So like this we have first, second, third, and fourth, fifth, sixth places. Now here if you observe, what are odd places? So 4 is at odd place. Now this is also at odd place. This is third place, that is odd place. And now this is also at odd place, that is fifth place, that is odd place. Now, isn't it? Now, so sum of digits at odd places. Sum of digits at odd places. What? 4 plus 4 plus 5. That is 4 plus 4 plus 5, which is equal to what? 13. Isn't it? Which is equals to 13. Now, if you observe here, what are even places here? This second place, isn't it? Now, this is 8. So, this 9 also at 4th place, and this 7 also at 5th place. That is, this 7, 9 and 8 are at even places. Isn't it? Now, take this. Sum of digits at even places are what? 4 or what? Even places. 8 plus 9 plus 7. That is 7 plus 9 plus and 8. That is nothing but 24. Isn't it? 24. Now, the difference of both 24 and 13. So, let's take the difference. That is 24 minus 13. How much? 11. Isn't it? 24 minus 13 is 11. So, is 11 is divisible by 11? Yes, it is divisible by 11. Isn't it? So, therefore, the number, that is the difference. So, therefore, difference that is 11 is divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. Therefore, the given number, that is 759484 is divisible by 11. Isn't it? So, like this, using divisibility rule, we can verify whether a number is divisible by 11 or not. Isn't it? Without doing actual division. So, let's do the third question. Children, this is the third question. Check whether these numbers are divisible by 8 or not. We need to verify these numbers are divisible by 8 or not using the divisibility rule of 8. What is the divisibility rule of 8? The last two digits of a number should be divisible by 8. If in a given number, the last three digits should be divisible by 8. So that's the divisibility rule for 8. So definition. A number is divisible. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits should be divisible by 8. Then the number is divisible by 8. So, verification. The first number is like this. Verification of 48720. See, if you take this number, last three digits of 48720 is what? 720. Isn't it? Now let's check that 720 is divisible by 8 or not. 8 as a divisible. Now 720 as a dividend. So 8 9s are 72. So 0 is the remainder. So here also 0. So now 720 is divisible by 8. So being remainder 0, then we can say that 720 is exactly divisible by 8. Therefore, the last two digits, that is last three digits, that is 720 is divisible by 8. Is divisible by 8. Therefore, we can say by this division, therefore 48720 is divisible by 8. Isn't it? Is divisible by 8. So like this we can verify the given number whether it is divisible by 8 or not without doing actual division. So now next number, let's do the next number verification, that is verification of 1884. So last three digits of 1884 is what? 884. So let's check that is divisible by 8 or not. So 8 as a divisor, 884 as a dividend. Now 8 ones are 8, 0 remainder, and this comes down. 8 ones are 8. Then 0, this 4 comes down. So 4 is the remainder. 4 is the remainder. So that means this 884 is not exactly divisible by 8, isn't it? So therefore, so here you can write the last three digits, that is 884 is not divisible by 8. Is not divisible by 8. Therefore 1884 is also not divisible by 8. So like this, using divisibility rule, we can verify whether a number is divisible by concerned number or not. So without doing actual division. So like this we can check any number using divisibility rule without doing actual division. So that's all today, children. We will discuss more in the next session. So have a nice day. Thank you very much. All the best.